Hello everyone, myself Khyati Vyas from JMP English Medium Saraswati Group of Education. Today I am conducting this session for grade 3 subject SS. In today's session, we are going to solve the unit test. That is unit test paper, practice paper related to your chapter 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. It is given in your textbook page number 23. Can you see that? Okay. So we are going to discuss this paper through this video session today. So this is my session number 1 for your revision unit test paper number 1. This unit test includes some questions from chapter 1 to 5. Clear? So, if you have read these chapters, if you have revised these chapters, this paper might be easier for you to solve. But in case if you have not read the chapters, not gone through the videos of these chapters properly, then you might not know the answer. But I am hoping that all the kids have actually read these chapters, revised them. Correct? Okay. In this unit test paper, you are given 4 main questions. First question is answer these questions. So here they will ask you questions and you have to write the answers for them. Next is fill in the blanks. No options are given. They have asked you to write the answers by your own self. Okay? Options are not given. Then you have stated whether the following statements are true or false. So you have to read the statements. If it is correct, you have to write true. If it is false, you have to write, or if it is wrong, you have to write false. Right? And the last one is choose the correct answer. Here they have either asked you some questions or there are some blanks. But the answers they have given you 4 options. Among these options you have to just find which is the correct one. Clear? So shall we start solving? Okay, in these questions they have asked you related to all 5 chapters. Okay, so it is mixture of all the 5 chapters. Now let's start solving it. Main question 1 is answer these questions. Answer these questions. I am hoping when I read the questions, you will be quickly knowing what is the answer. Right? Okay. So first question in that is, name the 8 planets of the solar system. Name the 8 planets of the solar system. Do you know the answer? Yes, you are already knowing all the 8 planets and their names. So you have to write that in the answer. So answer is, the 8 planets of the solar system are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. So these are the 8 planets. Once again, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. So you have to write all the names. Be careful. The spellings of these planets must be correct. Do not write wrong spellings. If you are having difficulty, then practice the spellings of these words. Clear? Okay. Next question is, what is a continent? So you already know, right? What is continent? Surface of Earth is made up of 2 things, land and water. big land masses on the earth's surface are called continents, and largest water bodies on the surface of earth are called oceans. So here they have asked you the same thing. What is a continent? So what should be the answer? Answer is, a continent is a large mass on the large land mass on the surface of the earth. A continent is a large land mass on the surface of the earth. Clear? Next, question number 3. Give any 2 reasons for air pollution. Air pollution means air gets polluted. Some harmful substances get mixed into the air. It causes air pollution. Now, how does this happen? You know many reasons, right? Like burning garbage, burning firecrackers. Then, yes, you are having the vehicles smoke released in the air. It gets polluted, air gets polluted. Smoke from the factories. There are many reasons. So in this question they have asked you 2 reasons. You can write any 2. In my book I have written answer like, the 2 reasons for air pollution are smoke from factories and vehicles, that is first cause, and second one, burning of firecrackers or bursting of firecrackers. So these are the 2 reasons that I have written. If I ask this question in the exam, you can write any reason, but it should be relevant one. Okay? It should be relevant one. Next question is question number 4. Name the 3 forms of water. We have already discussed it, right? 3 forms of water. Which are they? Solid, liquid and gas. So that is the answer. So answer is, the 3 forms of water are, first one is solid, that is ice. Next is liquid, that is water itself. And last one is gas, that is water vapor. Right? When the water boils, when you heat the water, you can see the steam coming out of it. It raises up. That is nothing but a gas, and it is water vapor. Because if you place a lid on top of that steam, you can see small droplets of water on the lid. That means that steam is water vapor. So the gas form of water is water vapor. Clear? Next question. Question number 5. What is an atlas? What is an atlas? You already know what is atlas. Correct? So what is it? A book of map? Yeah? Yes. So the answer is, an atlas is a book that has collection of maps. There are so many types of maps in the atlas. It is a book of atlas, collection of maps. So, what is atlas? An atlas is a book of collection of maps. Clear? So, these are the 5 questions to which you have to write the answers. Next is fill in the blanks. Here they have not given you any clues or hints. You have to write the answers by yourself. Okay? So let's start that. Number 1. The earth has the dash as its satellite. The earth has dash as its satellite. So which is the satellite of the earth? Natural satellite I am talking about. Yes, only one natural satellite of the earth, that is Moon. So the answer is moon. Clear? Okay, next, second one. The two ends of the earth are called dash. Two ends of the earth, up and down. What are they called? Yes, they are called poles. North pole and south pole. So together, poles. So the answer is poles. The two ends of the earth are called poles. Clear? Next, third one. All living things need dash to breathe. All living things need dash to breathe. So what do you want to breathe? What do you breathe in? When you inhale the air, when you take the air in, which gas is being absorbed by your body? Yes, it is oxygen. It is oxygen. So the answer is oxygen. All living things need oxygen to breathe. Next, number 4. The world's largest freshwater lake is dash. Freshwater lake. World's largest freshwater lake. Which is it? Yes. The answer is Lake Baikal. Lake Baikal. Clear? So let's see if you have got all the answers correct or not. First answer is moon. Second answer is poles. Third one, oxygen. Fourth one, Lake Baikal. And fifth, we have not discussed the blank. Yes, so what is the fifth blank? Frozen form of water is dash. So if you freeze the water, what it becomes? Yes, it is ice. So fifth answer is ice. So frozen form of water is ice. Clear? Chalo. Now let's discuss the third main question, that is state whether the following statements are true or false. So I will read one by one all the statements. You have to identify whether it is correct or wrong. If it is correct, then you have to write true. If it is wrong, you have to write false. Let's start that. First one. There are 9 planets in the solar system. There are 9 planets in the solar system. So you think there are 9 planets? Is it right? No, there are only 8 planets. So this statement is wrong. So write false. Next, number 2. A book of map is called a globe. Book of map called a globe. What do you think? No, this is also wrong. Book of map is called atlas. And globe is small model of the earth. It is not a book. So this is wrong statement. So again write false. Next, number 3. The largest ocean is the Pacific Ocean. We are having altogether 5 oceans. Amongst these 5, do you think that Pacific Ocean is the largest one? Is it right? Yes, it is correct. So write true. Write true. Next, number 4. The outer surface of Earth is made up of only water. Outer surface of Earth made up of only water. If it is made up of only water, then how can human beings live? Because we live on land. So this statement is wrong. It is not made up of only water. It has land also. The surface of earth has land part also. So this statement is wrong. So write false. Next, all living things need water to breathe. All living things need water to breathe. Do we use water to breathe, or we use water for drinking, cleaning, cooking? To breathe we need air. So this statement is also wrong. So write false. So now let's check if you have marked the answers correctly or not. First one is false. Second, false. Third one, it is true. Fourth one, it is false. Fifth one, again false. Next, choose the correct answer. So here it is a multiple choice question. 4 options are given and you have to select the correct one. So let's start. First one. The top and the bottom of the earth are called dash. Top and the bottom of earth. 2 ends of the earth. What are they called? Options are cherry, poles, atmosphere, biosphere. What is the correct answer? Yes. It is option B, poles. Next, number 2. A model of the earth is called a dash. Model of the earth is called, options are map, globe, continent, ocean. So what is it called? Model of the earth. Yes, it is called globe. Option B is the correct answer. Next, number 3. He was the first to prove that the earth was round. Who was the first person who proved that the earth is round? Options are Neil Armstrong, B. Columbus, C. Marco Polo, and D. Ferdinand Magellan. The right answer is option D, Ferdinand Magellan. Clear? Next, number 4. India is a part of the continent dash. So altogether we are having 7 continents. Out of these continents, India is part of which continent? India belongs to which continent? Options are Europe, Asia, Africa, Australia. The right answer is option B, Asia. Clear? Next, number 5. Water exists in dash forms. So how many forms are the water existing in? Options are 3, 4, 5 or 6. Correct answer is option A, 3. Which are these 3? Solid, liquid, gas. Solid is ice, liquid is water itself, and gas, that is water vapor. So I hope you marked all the answers correctly. Let's check them. First one, answer is option B, poles. Second one, answer is option B, globe. Third one, answer is option D, Ferdinand Magellan. Fourth one, answer is option B, Asia. Fifth one, answer is option A, that is 3. So here we come to the end of discussion of your unit test paper, which is given in page number 23 in your textbook. Your today's homework is to solve this exercise by yourself. Along with my next video, I'll be sending the answer key to this paper. But today, you have to solve this paper by yourself. I have already discussed the answers through this video. So if you are having any doubts, you can go through the video once again. Clear, kids? So chalo. With this video, I am sending the PDF of your page number 23. Okay? And you have to solve it in your books. You have to solve it in your book. You can either solve in your rough book or you can write it in your CW book as well. Choice is yours. Clear, kids? So if you have any doubts, you can contact me to the school's number during the school hours. Okay? So let me end this video here. Next session we will start with chapter number 6. Okay? Now I have come to the end of discussion of unit test paper 1 given in your textbook. If you have liked this video, please click on the like icon. So let me take your leave now. Bye.